In this video, we will show you how to open RAR files on Windows 11. To open RAR files on Windows 11, in here you need to install WinRAR application. This is application especially to manage the RAR files. And after you open win-rar.com, click download button in here. And because Windows 11 just only 64-bit, download via WinRAR here. And put the location you want. After the files download successfully, you can just install the WinRAR like this. Just click open and the step is look like this. After you are done, to open RAR files, for example, this is we have RAR files, the content folder, and usually WinRAR application does not as default application to open a RAR file, so you need to right click on the files for the first times and just click open with and choose another application. And in here the WinRAR will appear. You can select the WinRAR and click always. After that, if all RAR files become the WinRAR application icon like this, you can just to open just double click, or you can just right click to extract the RAR files. Now you successfully opened the RAR files. That's tutorial how to open RAR files on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.